Ever wondered about the science behind the absorption of nutrients in your body? Nanoemulsions might be your answer. Nanoemulsions, as their name suggests, are incredibly small emulsions. They're formed when two immiscible liquids that don't typically mix like oil and water, are broken down into tiny droplets. These droplets can be as small as a few tens of nanometers in diameter, hence the term nano. So, why is the size of these droplets so important? Well, in the world of science, size often matters. When it comes to the absorption of nutrients and other substances, smaller particles can be absorbed more efficiently. This is where nanoemulsions come into play. Their minuscule size allows for a larger surface area, which in turn allows for better absorption and distribution of nutrients, drugs, and other substances in your body. But nanoemulsions aren't just about nutrition. They have a wide range of potential applications that go beyond the food and health industries. Imagine, for instance, a sunscreen that spreads easily and absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. That's possible with nanoemulsions. Or think about targeted drug delivery, where medicines are delivered directly to the cells that need them, reducing side effects and improving effectiveness. That's another potential application of nanoemulsions. This technology is not a thing of the future. It's here now. There are already companies using nanoemulsions to enhance their products, and there's ongoing research into other potential applications. However, like any new technology, it's important to understand its safety and potential impact on our health and environment. Intrigued? Stick with us to understand this amazing technology. Now, let's take a deep dive into understanding nanoemulsions. Imagine stepping out on a rainy day. You see tiny droplets of rain falling from the sky and being absorbed by the parched ground. Now think of these droplets as tiny particles carrying nutrients, and the ground as your body. This is the essence of how nanoemulsions work. In a nutshell, nanoemulsions are tiny particles or droplets as small as 1/1000th of a meter, hence the term nano. These droplets are created by combining two liquids that don't usually mix, such as oil and water. It's like shaking up a salad dressing where oil and vinegar combine to create an emulsion. But in the case of nanoemulsions, the droplets are so tiny that they stay suspended in the mix rather than separating out. But why go to all this trouble? Well, the beauty of nanoemulsions lies in their size. These minuscule droplets have a much larger surface area relative to their volume, which enhances the absorption of the nutrients they carry. Imagine you're trying to dissolve a sugar cube in a cup of tea. If you break the cube into smaller pieces, it dissolves faster, right? This is essentially what happens with nanoemulsions. The nutrients in these tiny droplets are more easily absorbed by the body, ensuring that none of the good stuff goes to waste. And there's another advantage. Because of their tiny size, nanoemulsions can pass through cell membranes more easily, meaning the nutrients they carry can be delivered directly to the cells that need them. It's like having a personal delivery service for your body's cells. So you see, nanoemulsions are not as complex as they might sound. They're just tiny droplets packed with nutrients designed to optimize absorption and deliver those nutrients directly to your cells. So nanoemulsions are tiny droplets that enhance the absorption of nutrients. Now that we know what nanoemulsions are, let's understand why they are important. From the realm of pharmaceuticals to the world of nutrition, nanoemulsions are making waves, and rightly so. Their unique properties are changing the game, making them an integral part of these industries. But why are they so vital? Take a moment to think about the medication you might have taken recently. The effectiveness of that medicine relies heavily on how well your body absorbs it. This is where nanoemulsions come into play. Thanks to their tiny droplet size, they significantly enhance drug delivery. They do this by increasing the surface area for absorption, allowing drugs to be absorbed more efficiently and effectively. But the magic of nanoemulsions doesn't stop at medication. They're also transforming the world of nutrition. You see, our bodies often struggle to absorb certain nutrients, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are fat-soluble. Nanoemulsions can help solve this issue. By encapsulating these nutrients into tiny droplets, they facilitate better absorption into the body. This means that when you consume nutrients in a nanoemulsion format, your body can make better use of them. Moreover, nanoemulsions also have the potential to improve the taste and texture of food products. Have you ever wondered why some of your favorite drinks or sauces have such a smooth, consistent texture? It's likely due to the use of nanoemulsions. They can help to stabilize and improve the texture of these products without any noticeable oiliness or separation. In essence, nanoemulsions are a key tool in unlocking the full potential of many products, from medicines to food and beyond. They help us to get the most out of what we consume, enhancing our health and wellness in the process. Indeed, nanoemulsions are revolutionizing the way we absorb nutrients and drugs. Their importance cannot be overstated, and as we continue to uncover more about their capabilities, their impact is only set to grow. You might be wondering, where are these nanoemulsions used? Well, let's dive into the wide-ranging applications of this microscopic marvel. Nanoemulsions are not limited to a single industry. In fact, they're found in many areas, making them a versatile solution to various challenges. Firstly, let's talk about pharmaceuticals. Nanoemulsions are a boon to this industry. They enhance the bioavailability of drugs, meaning they help our bodies absorb medications more efficiently. This is particularly useful in the case of drugs that are poorly soluble in water. By wrapping these drugs in tiny droplets of oil, they can be transported and absorbed much more effectively. Next, we have the food and beverage industry. You might not be aware, but nanoemulsions play a crucial role here too. They're used to improve the texture, taste, and visual appeal of many products. For instance, they can stabilize beverages, prevent separation in sauces, and improve the creaminess of dairy products. They're also used to encapsulate vitamins and nutrients, ensuring that they're evenly distributed throughout the product and easily absorbed by our bodies. Not to forget, the cosmetics industry also reaps the benefits of nanoemulsions. They're used to improve the texture and absorption of creams, lotions, and serums. Because the droplets in a nanoemulsion are so tiny, they can penetrate the skin more deeply, delivering active ingredients where they're needed most. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Nanoemulsions are also found in agrochemicals, where they help with the efficient delivery of pesticides and fertilizers. They're used in cleaning products, where they can break down dirt and grease more effectively. They even have applications in the energy sector, where they're used to enhance the extraction of oil and gas. So, as you can see, nanoemulsions are not just a scientific curiosity. They are a practical tool that's already making a big difference in a wide range of industries. In a nutshell, nanoemulsions are everywhere. Let's talk about some of the companies that are harnessing the power of nanoemulsions. First up, we have Nanocarrier. This biotech firm specializes in the development of drug delivery systems, and nanoemulsions play a critical role in their work. They use nanoemulsion technology to improve the solubility of poorly soluble drugs, which can enhance the drug's effectiveness and reduce side effects. It's a game changer in the pharmaceutical industry. Next, there's Aquanova. They're a German tech company that's making waves in the field of liquid solubilization. Their patented nanoemulsion technology, known as Novasol, is used to enhance the bioavailability of functional ingredients in food, beverages, supplements, and pharmaceuticals. By making these ingredients more soluble, Aquanova is helping to improve their absorption and effectiveness. Then we have a company called Abitech Corporation. They're a leader in the production of lipid-based nanoemulsions for the pharmaceutical, nutritional, and personal care industries. Their Captex technology utilizes nanoemulsions to improve the delivery and absorption of active ingredients. Think about how this could revolutionize your daily moisturizer or vitamin supplement. Now, let's not forget about the food industry. Take the example of Nestlé, the world's largest food and beverage company. They're using nanoemulsion technology to improve the taste, texture, and nutritional value of their products. Imagine a world where your favorite chocolate bar not only tastes great but is packed with more nutritional benefits thanks to nanoemulsions. Finally, we have BASF, a major player in the chemical industry. They've been using nanoemulsions to improve the efficiency and sustainability of their products. From coatings and paints to personal care products, BASF is leveraging nanoemulsions to make products that perform better and are kinder to the environment. These companies are leading the way in leveraging nanoemulsions for better products, and they're just the tip of the iceberg. As nanoemulsion technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see its use expand across a wide range of industries. We've talked about what nanoemulsions are and how they're used, but are they safe? This is a question that resonates with everyone, not just those who are health conscious. The safety of nanoemulsions has been a subject of intense research and investigation, and it's not a topic that's taken lightly. Multiple studies have been conducted to ensure that these tiny droplets are indeed safe for human consumption. To begin with, it's important to understand that nanoemulsions are not a new phenomenon. They've been in use for decades in various industries, including food and pharmaceuticals. This long history of use has given scientists ample time to study their effects and establish safety protocols. One of the key safety measures taken is toxicity testing. This involves assessing the effect of nanoemulsions on living organisms. The results? Most studies have found that nanoemulsions are non-toxic. They're generally recognized as safe, or GRAS, a designation given by the Food and Drug Administration to substances that are considered safe based on a long history of common use in food or on the results of research. Another important safety aspect is the stability of nanoemulsions. Scientists ensure that these droplets maintain their size and do not aggregate or break down over time, which could potentially lead to safety concerns. Rigorous stability testing is therefore a crucial part of the safety validation process. Further, nanoemulsions are often made from food-grade materials. This means they're derived from substances that are already deemed safe for consumption. These include oils, like olive or coconut oil, and natural emulsifiers, such as lecithin from soybeans or eggs. Lastly, it's important to note that the use of nanoemulsions is regulated by authorities, including the FDA. These organizations set strict guidelines and standards to ensure that nanoemulsions, like all food ingredients, are safe for the public. Rest assured, nanoemulsions have passed numerous safety tests before making it to your products. Safety is paramount, and it's comforting to know that these tiny droplets have been thoroughly vetted for their safety. So we've covered a lot about nanoemulsions today. What a journey we've been on, unraveling the fascinating world of nanoemulsions. These tiny droplets, invisible to the naked eye, are the unsung heroes in many of the products we use daily. Their ability to blend substances that typically wouldn't mix, like oil and water, is a testament to the marvel of scientific innovation. We've learned that nanoemulsions are not just about making our salad dressings and mayonnaise taste better. They are crucial players in various industries, from pharmaceuticals and cosmetics to food and beverages. In the medical world, nanoemulsions enhance the delivery of drugs, ensuring that our bodies absorb them effectively. In skincare, they help active ingredients penetrate deeper into our skin, making our moisturizers and serums more potent. It's impressive to realize that numerous companies have recognized the potential of nanoemulsions. Some of these enterprises are household names, while others are smaller, innovative players in their respective fields. These companies are harnessing the power of nanoemulsions to improve product stability, enhance consumer experience, and even contribute to sustainability efforts. But of course, we've also addressed the elephant in the room, the safety of nanoemulsions. We've seen that extensive testing has been done to ensure that these tiny droplets are safe for human consumption. Stringent regulations are in place, and continuous research is being conducted to further our understanding of nanoemulsions and their impact on human health. It's a clear testament to the dedication of scientists and regulators to keep us safe while pushing the boundaries of innovation. The world of nanoemulsions is a fascinating example of how science can be intricately woven into our everyday lives, often in ways we don't even realize. But now that we've delved into this topic, we can appreciate the complex science behind the simple things we often take for granted. Next time you use a product, remember there might be a tiny bit of science called nanoemulsions at work.